Volkswagen Passat B8, Arteon fused box location and diagram. Volkswagen Passat B8 and Arteon has two fuse panels. The first one was mounted inside the car, behind that storage on the driver's side. To reach the fuse box, you just have to remove that storage pressing on those two tabs inside and then lower the storage. There are those two tabs that you have to press it to remove the storage. Then take the storage out. Now you can have access at the fuse panel from inside the car. You can find Volkswagen Passat B8 and Arteon fuse box diagram in the video description below. And the other fuse box is located in the engine compartment, on the left side of the car. First, you have to remove that plastic cover pressing on that tabs. You can find Volkswagen Passat B8 and Arteon fuse box diagram in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.